Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing pesto pasta. Classic pesto using basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese, and of course, extra virgin olive oil. First things first, let's get some fresh basil leaves. Come on. And this one. All right, nice. Okay, so here we go. There are ways of preparing pesto, no? Yung iba, ginagawa nila, the classic way, which is medyo difficult, medyo matagal, is using a mortar and pestle. But today, we're not using this. We're using our food processor to make things faster, but generally, the result halos ganun din. So what we'll do first, meron tayong pine nuts. We'll toast it for about a minute. Bilis maluto nito, sandali lang. So while we're doing that, we'll also do our pasta. Boiling water, lagyan natin ng salt. Lots of salt. And then, we'll cook in we're using today Fusilli Pasta. You know what's nice with the Fusilli Pasta? Dito talaga kakapit yung pesto natin. So, see all those ridges, yung mga slots din. Doon papasok yung pesto. So, we'll put this in. Just half of this. There you go. It's good for about 8 minutes. Mix it para hindi dumikit. In about 8 minutes, al dente na yan. We're toasting our pine nuts. Mabilis natin ito mag-toast, oh. So in fact, before siya mag-brown, I can turn this off already. Yan, then they'll just continue to cook and brown. Here, what we'll do is prepare our garlic. You just need one garlic. Depends on gano'ng karaming pesto yung gusto mong i-prepare. No? Pag good for mga 2 people lang, one garlic should be enough. Some people nga, they use even less. Just crack the garlic. Take out the skin. And we'll put it inside. Then, with that, sabay-sabay na natin siya. Clearing the leaves ng basil natin. And put it out. Put it there. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ganda ng basil today. Oh. It's been sunny this past few weeks. Kaya ganda ng tubo ng mga leaves. Smells so good. Bango talaga. Oh. So we'll put in more. There. So the more leaves you have, mas masarap yung pesto mo. Then from here on, we'll slowly add some olive oil. Just a little. Pakonti-konti lang. Nice. There. And then we'll put in our pine nuts. It'll make it creamy. There you go. And then we'll grind some Parmigiano-Reggiano. This is my old trusty na cuisine art na food processor. You know this one? Has been with me for siguro a good 25 years na. When it first came out, I bought this in the States. Dinala ko dito. So the more Parmesan, the better, no? It's malasa. Okay, I'll chop it there. Let's close it again. Okay, put in a little more oil. Okay, and continue to blend it. Okay. Well, let's taste it. Hindi ko muna nilagyan ng salt kasi yung Parmigiano-Reggiano is already salty, so depende sa taste, no? Put in a little salt. Just a little salt. Okay. One more blend. Okay. Pause it. We're good to go. Okay. Hintayin natin maluto yung pasta natin. Once okay na yung pasta natin, we're done. Let's check our pasta. Kung al dente na siya. Good. Sakto. Turn this off. Clean natin yung pasta natin. Here we go. So now, our pasta's cooked. Al dente. And then we have our pesto done. Gagawin naman natin ngayon. Put it here. See? So that. Scoop it up. Okay. Sagol na to siya. So you'll see yung pesto dumidikit siya sa ridges ng fusilli pasta. And that's what you want. Okay? So you'll get a plate. Put it here. And then we just put in a little Parmesan, just a touch of it. Okay. And here's our classic Fusilli Pesto Pasta. Okay, let's try this. And then it's you know, anything fresher than this, may lupa na yung kinakain mo. It's so good. It's so fresh, light, it's creamy, it's tasty. It's one of the best classic pastas that you can ever make. Easily, in less than 10 minutes. Okay, wow. Sarap. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at Home. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press on the notification bell para alam nyo kung may tayong mga bagong video na lalabas. Leave a comment. Let me know kung nasubukan yun. Then let me know kung ano improvements ang kaya nyo gawin. Gawin natin. Kung meron kayong mga bago ng mga recipes, let's try to do it together. Okay? So thank you. I'll see you soon. Right here in Goma at Home. Bye. Classic. Really good.